On my way to explore the Tiansheng Bridge in Guizhou province. Stay tuned. The Tiansheng Bridge is an extraordinary work of nature that is known as the Oriental Triumphal Arch, and measures approximately 73 meters in height, 15 meters in thickness, and 22 meters in width. It was said that it was formed between 360 and 290 million years ago from carbonic limestone and marlite. These rocks have a tilt angle of 56 and extend northeast-southwest. The river channel below was once an underground channel that formed around 12,000 years ago during the late Quaternary period and later expanded due to crustal uplift and underground river subsidence. However, the cave top collapsed, resulting in the current bridge. Thank you for watching. Discover China is about capturing, presenting the essence, reality, raw footage, accurate, true representation of wherever I visit. Subscribe for more updates to know about the real China.